What are you looking forward to most coming to BG?
I'm looking forward to the new friendships and like the new environment because I live in a really small town where I have a lot of friends, but like I like meeting new people and stuff like that.
What are you looking forward to the most about coming to BG?
Just getting into the classes, meeting new people from different states. I've always been like close to home, so I'm excited to like meet new people and just start this new chapter of life.
I'm really excited to meet new people and be in a new state, see more things, so yeah.
So what are you looking forward to most about going to BG?
Really like a hands-on experience, just getting like deep into my field, really, getting hands-on and everything.
So I'm going to be playing soccer, so I'm looking forward to like being with the team and getting to play.
I'm also playing soccer, so I'm also looking forward to playing and being with the team.
So what are you most looking forward to about coming to BG?
I like the community and the fact that it has one of the top criminal justice programs here.
Just making a lot of friends and memories and trying to have the best time I can while I'm here, and then also get my work done and stuff so I can get a job.